Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss one of the most frequently asked interview question, valid parenthesis. Here the question is, given a string S containing just the characters. Those are parentheses, curly braces and square brackets. Determine if the input string is valid. An input string is valid if open brackets must be closed by the same type of brackets. Open brackets must be closed in the correct order. And the final rule is every closed bracket has a corresponding open bracket of the same type. These three are the rules. If any string satisfies above three rules, we can say it's a valid, else it's invalid string. So let's go through the example. In the first example, we have pair of parentheses, which is open parenthesis and closed parenthesis. It is satisfying the above three rules. Hence, this string is valid, so the output is true. Let's go through the example 2. In the example 2, we have a couple of brackets. Here we have pair of parentheses, pair of square brackets, and pair of curly braces. In this case also, the string satisfied all the three rules. Hence, the output is true. Now, in the third example, string started with open parenthesis. After that, we have closed square bracket. Clearly, we can say this string has broken the rule number 1, which is open brackets must be closed by the same type of brackets. So, that's why this string is invalid and the output is false. Now, in the fourth example, the string started with open parenthesis. Inside it, we have open square bracket. Then we have closed square bracket, which is closing the latest open square bracket. After that, we have closed parenthesis. It closes the open parenthesis. So if we carefully observe this string has satisfied all the three rules and everything is in the right order and properly matched. So it's a valid string and the output is true. And in the example 5, the string started with open brace and after that we have square bracket. Then we have closed parenthesis. Still we have a open square bracket. It is not properly closed, but we have a closed parenthesis. So it is breaking the rule number 2. Open brackets must be closed in the correct order. So that's why this string is not a valid, hence the output is false. Let's understand this question with a slightly bigger example. Here I am taking one string. The one line idea here is for a string to be valid, the closing brackets must appear in the reverse order of the corresponding opening brackets. Let's say this string is valid. Why? Because here closing brackets are in the reverse order of the opening brackets. That's why this string is a valid. Let's try to apply our understanding here. So here first we have the open curly brace, after that open square, and after that open parenthesis. Till now our latest open bracket is open parenthesis. After that we have closed parenthesis. So now we need to check with the latest bracket, which is open parenthesis. Here it is a same type and in the order also same. That's why we can do pop it out. We can do pop it out and we'll move to the next character. And the next character is closed square bracket. Now latest open bracket is open square bracket, and these are also having the same type and following the order also correctly. So now we'll do pop it out, this one as well. After that we have open square bracket. So till now latest is this open square. After that we have closed square bracket. This closed square bracket is matching with the latest open square bracket. So then we can do pop it out, this one as well. After that we have closed curly brace. This closed curly braces is matching with the current latest open brace, which is open curly. So we can do pop this one also. Hence this string is valid because there is no characters left. Let's take one more example here. Here in this example, open curly, open square and open parenthesis. After that we have closed parenthesis. So this closed parenthesis has a match of open parenthesis. So we can do pop it out this one. After that closed square also has a match of recent open bracket, which is open square. So this one also has a match. We can do pop it out. And after that we have closed parenthesis. This closed parenthesis we need to check with the open curly. These are all not the same type. So we need to return false. So this is the basic idea. I hope you understood. Let's discuss about the approaches to solve this question. Let me erase quickly. The best approach to solve the question is stack data structure. So in the stack data structure, we have the couple of functions like push, which we will use to push the element into the stack, and pop to pop out the element, and top, which returns the last stored element in the stack. Why? Because stack follows LIFO order, last in first out. So here the main logic is whenever we see open brackets, that can be open curly or open square or open parenthesis, just to do push into the stack. Whenever we see closed brackets, closed curly or closed square or closed parenthesis, just check with the top of the stack, and if it is having the same type, then do pop, else return false. So this is the basic idea here. Let's try to understand with our previous example. First three are open brackets. So our logic is, for open brackets we need to do push. So let's push curly brace, after that open square, after that open parenthesis. We come across with the closed parenthesis. Now top is here, so check with the top. So top is also having the same type. Here we have open parenthesis. Let's pop it out this one. Now top is here. After that we have closed square brackets. It is matching with the top of the stack. Both are having same type. So let's pop it this one as well. Now top is here. After that we come across with the open square bracket. Our rule is if open, we need to do push. After that we have closed square bracket. After pushing the square bracket, our top position got changed. Now top is here. Now we need to check with the top and our current character closed square bracket. So both are same type. So let's pop it this one as well. Now top got changed. Now top is here. And after that we have closed curly brace, and the closed curly brace and top of the stack both are of the same type. So let's pop it out. So now if we return empty function, the empty function will return the answer. So if empty is true, then our string is a valid, or else it's invalid. So this is the approach. Let's try to code for this. So here I am taking stack of characters. Traversing the loop with string size. So first we need to check our current character is any of the open bracket. That may be curly or square or open parenthesis. Then we need to do push into the stack. Else means we come across with the closed character or anything. So first we need to check if the stack is empty. Means we did our stack not containing the opening brackets in this case. If stack is empty means then we need to return false here. If stack is not empty, we need to store our top element and do the pop. Now we need to compare our current character with the top. So now s of I, any of the closing bracket, curly brace, and top is not equals to open brace, or we need to do the same thing for other closed bracket also. Top not equal to open parenthesis. In all these three cases, we need to return false. By the end of the for loop, we need to return st.empty. Let's try to run this. Here we need to return. So our solution got accepted. Let's try to submit this one. Yeah, all test cases got passed. I hope you understood the problem clearly. If you have any doubts, please do let me know in the comment section. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.